Okay, so the next question that we have is 3. If 3 and minus 3 are the solutions of the equation px square plus qx minus 9 equal to 0, find the value of p and q. This question is exactly like the previous one. So I hope everyone will be able to solve this on their own. So pause this video, give this question a try, and then watch my solution. Okay, so here again what we'll do, we'll substitute the values one by one in the equation. So we'll first start with the number 3. Substituting x equal to 3 in the equation, x equal to 3 in the equation. Okay, so what we will get, we'll get p bracket 3 squared plus q bracket 3 minus 9 equal to 0. Okay, since 3 is the solution given to us, it will satisfy the given equation. So we'll get 9p plus 3q minus 9 equal to 0. What we can do here, from this equation we can take out 3 common. So if we take out 3 common, we'll get 3p plus q minus 3 equal to 0, and we can transpose the 3 to the right hand side. So 0 upon 3 will be 0. So the equation that we are getting is 3p plus q minus 3 equal to 0, and let's say this is equation number 1. Same thing we are going to do with the number minus 3. So substituting x equal to minus 3 in the equation, x equal to minus 3 in the equation. Okay, so let's see what we will get here. The equation would become p times minus 3 squared plus q times minus 3 minus 9 equal to 0. So this will become 9p minus 3q minus 9 equal to 0. Again we can take out 3 common. So we'll get 3 bracket 3p minus q minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, again we can transpose the 3 to the right hand side, and 0 upon 3 will become 0, and the equation has become 3p minus q minus 3 equal to 0. This is our equation number 2. Now you can see these two equations we can directly add them. So adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, so let's see on adding what we will get. We have 3p plus q minus 3 equal to 0, plus the second equation that we are adding to it is 3p minus q minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, since we are adding, the signs won't change. All right, so here plus q and minus q will get cancelled. 3p plus 3p will get as 6p, minus 3 will become minus 6. So we'll transpose the minus 6 to the right side. We'll get 6p equals 6, and from here the value of p that we are getting is 6 over 6, which is 1. Okay, so we have got the value of p from this. Now all of you already know what we are going to do next is substitute the value of p in either of the two equations that we have got. Okay, okay, so what we're going to do here is substitute the value of p, let's say, in equation number 1. Okay, so what was the first equation? We had 3p plus q minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, this was the first equation that we have, and we are substituting the value of p in this equation. So substituting the value of p in equation 1, okay, this was the first equation, right? So what do we get here? 3 times the value of p that we got as 1, so 3 times 1 plus q minus 3 equals 0. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus q minus 3 equals 0, plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled. and therefore Q equals 0. The value of Q that we're getting is 0. Final answer, P equals 1, Q equals 0. This is the final answer that we have got. Okay, I hope everyone understood this. Please make a note of it.